Hi there, RJ from rjsplatform.com. Thanks for joining me for this InstaCampaign review. I'm in the members area right now, and I just want to kind of share this product with you real quick. So InstaCampaign review basically consists of a bunch of Instagram done for you pictures, copyright free, infringement free campaigns that you can go ahead and load up into your Instagram account. High quality stuff here. You can kind of see there's lots of modules and lots of animation, and this is the members area. Let's jump over to the sales page. It says special offer for Instagram business user. This is how to grow your follow and drive engagement with a new massive Instagram marketing collection. Less effort and budget. So instead of you having to go out and try to create a whole bunch of campaigns by yourself, and not only that, making sure that they're high quality, converting images, they've already done it all for you. And I'm kind of excited about this product because it offers you PLR, private label rights, right on the front end for these campaigns, which you don't really find when you're looking at high quality images like this has. I mean, they have rectangular images for many niches. I mean, look at that. E-com, Shopify stores, if you have your own restaurant, coffee shop, breakfast spots, all you can eat, workout niche, photography. I think any type of niche or any kind of interest that you have, I think you're going to be able to drive traffic to it using these done for you campaigns. And as you've seen up here, these are all rectangular. In Module 2, it has all the square designs, so you can go ahead and configure these for square designs, which is nice. Module 3, photo mask design. You can kind of see what this means on the photo mask designs. Module 4 has this is transparent images. If you want transparency where you don't have to see the square and stuff, these are just straight images that I think will be highly converting for you. You got rapid Instagram profits, 0 to hero Instagram marketing guide that comes with this product. You get high quality audio training here, and you get an ultimate photo stock of different images as well. And again, I like this because you don't have to worry about going through Google and trying to find an image and wondering, oh, can I legally use this or not legally use this? I mean, this is just a collection of things. And what you do is you download these onto your computer, you upload them into a place like Canva, create them, modify them, and then you upload them onto your Instagram account. And you don't have to even, and it's not even just about Instagram. This is a social media in general, because you can see these images. You can put these on Pinterest, Tumblr. You can upload them onto your own blog or website. There's a lot of versatility here. And if you're asking, RJ, how do you make money on these things? The way you make money with this product is by going over to a site like Fiverr. Because look here, people, I will design 4 beautiful Instagram posts for $10. Next one, I will design your Instagram post and make your feed for $20. You go over here and post, you set up a Fiverr account, you set up these images, people contact you. You can pay for this product with just 1 to 2 sales, and you have repeat business, and you have a business in a box ready to go here. This is a really exciting product if you use it properly, because you can double dip on this. You can use it for your own personal business, and then you can use it to make money by selling to clients as well. I have a bonus package to give you away at valued over $1,300 if you pick up InstaCampaign through my link by clicking on any of these buttons that are spread throughout. And as I'm scrolling down the page, you can kind of get an idea of what some of these images look like. I mean, the quality really is impressive. I mean, you have impressive quality and impressive value within this product. So on the front end, you're going to get the 24 Design SVG /PSDs. You're going to get 24 of the, you're going to get 12 of the square images. You're going to get 18 of the PNGs. You're going to get the tutorials. You're going to get 1,000 stock videos. You can also see here on the front end, you're going to get the Rapid Instagram Profits course. You're going to get the Instagram Entrepreneurs audio course. You get the Ultimate Photo Stock. And I've mentioned this before, but I just want to kind of reiterate it again. This is all for 16 bucks. And not only that, you get all modules comes with developer license, so you can use it for your clients without any restrictions. Private label rights and master resale rights. The reason I emphasize on that is this is a business in a box, folks. If you want to get going on making money online, as I showed you already, you go over here to a site like Fiverr, set it up, drive traffic to your site, and you're going to pay for this product in no time flat. And it's residual income. Word of mouth, you put it out, people are happy with you, you're going to get repeat business for $16. I mean, that's pretty much a no-brainer in my opinion. Hopefully I can get rid of this old stuff down here. So now, if you want to go for OTO1, upsell number 1, and this is a short funnel, which is another reason I like this product. You're going to get 16 different upsells and downsells and all that other kind of stuff going on. This is straightforward business here. So if you double your money, you're going to double your fun. So if you end up getting the $32 package, instead of 24 story designs, you're going to get 48 story designs. You're going to get 300 vector assets, which you don't even get on the front end. You're going to get 48 square designs versus the 24 on the front end. And you can see the other things that you're going to get. You're going to get the social traffic ebooks. You're going to get the modern social media marketing course. And you get the master resale rights on this here upsell number 1, which is pretty sweet. And you also get the sales graphics. So that means that you pretty much submit your email address and some credentials, fill out some things to the form to the vendors. They're going to go ahead and set up your sales page for you. Upsell number 2, $64. So this particular one here is all the done for you setup. So you don't even have to worry about it. So if you're not tech savvy, or you just simply don't have the time to deal with this setup procedure in order to get things rolling, they're going to get it all done for you. And this upsell is only good for the launch period. So you can see here, this upsell only done for you service for InstaCampaign product launch. So you have to purchase the product, the front end and the upsell first. And this is only going to be good for the launch period. So if you're having a little learning curve, or you want to overcome the learning curve, then this is going to be pretty good for you. I've got an awesome bonus package for you, which is actually worth more than the product itself, because this is going to give you 25 proven methods on how to get traffic back to your website. And this is a pretty valuable bonus. Bonus number 2, once you get those images, you want to be able to put different headlines and stuff in order for those people to click and tick into your images so that they'll go ahead and buy or go to the website or whatever it is that you want them to go to. And that's what this bonus is going to help you do. Social media authority. With this product, it says it's an Instagram product, but those images are already ready for you. So you can put those images in Facebook, you can put them in Pinterest, you can put them in Twitter, Tumblr, and there's a ton of other social media sites that you can go ahead and utilize this platform and this library of images to help go viral and promote your business or whatever niche you're in. And you can multiply that out by putting them on different social media sites. Which means when I showed you the site Fiverr where you can make this money on Instagram, you can do the same thing on those other platforms, and you can make money, even more money, selling them on for people on other social media sites as well. List building for dummies I'm going to give you, because once you get those people, because ultimately inside this InstaCampaign, you want to put an image on your Instagram or whatever social media site it is. You want to put a link in there. And you can either drive that link to a direct website or a direct affiliate link, or what you want to really do is put them onto an opt-in page to build your list. And this is what this product's going to do. It's going to show you exactly how to do all that and get them onto your autoresponder so that you can market to those people and keep in communication with those people and show them value for a long time to come. And what I mean by autoresponder is an email system that you have set up as to where you're able to promote to them over and over again, share content with them over and over again, and build a relationship with them over a long period of time. And what that's considered is it's called a funnel, and that's what it's going to set up. This right here bonus is going to show you how to set it all up, where they go in, they click on your link, they go through your funnel, they get onto your autoresponder, and then all of a sudden you are sending them emails, and you're going to learn how to send emails from one of the best ones in the business, which is Michael Cheney, a six-figure super affiliate. And he's pretty much going to give you the rights. I have rights to give this to you. You're not going to get this through many other links, where a six-figure super affiliate's going to allow you to take promos that they've made a lot of money on and allow you to copy and paste those promos right into your email campaigns. So I've taken this InstaCampaign to a whole new level for you. I've shown you how to monetize it on Fiverr. I've shown you how to get it, how to set it up with a link in there so it goes onto your autoresponder, and I'm going to show you that through the funnels. I'm showing you how to list build. I'm showing you how to use this InstaCampaign that they originally said is for Instagram and use it across other social media sites. How to set up killer headlines. I think you would agree that this is actually worth a pretty good helping at $1,300, and this is all off of a measly $16 product, guys. Even if you bought the front end, the upgrade, and the whole, basically, if you picked up the whole funnel, you're still getting this at a pretty good smoking deal. I mean, we're talking $64 plus $32, so that's $96 plus this right here, so under $120, and you get 10 sales on that site, Fiverr, or through other social media sites, and just promoting it on your own, you're in pretty good shape. Now, this product launches on September 16, 2018. I can't tell you what the prices are going to do from that point forth. I would assume they're going to go up like most products do. However, whatever time you pick this up, I think that my bonus package is really congruent, and I think you would actually value and gain a lot of knowledge through picking it up through my link, which I would also greatly appreciate that you do. I'm only going to offer this bonus for the first 75 people that decide to purchase through my link. So if you want to do that, it would be greatly appreciated, and I hope that you find value in my bonuses. Again, come on through to my bonus page, click on any of the buttons down below, come on through the sales page. You're going to find my bonuses waiting for you in the purchase area of your product when you go to pick it up. And again, this launches on September 16, 2018. And I hope that you have found value in watching this review. And I want to thank you again for joining me for this review of InstaCampaign. So hope you enjoyed this and you have a good day. Thank you.